we talk all the time about how great cordless tools are becoming. We have some great examples of that to show you from Makita today. In the area of woodworking, I tell you what, cordless tools are practical, they're usable, they're functional, and they're getting really, really, really good. We're going to show you. We're back, and I'm here with Jamie from Makita. And Jamie, we have talked a little bit about the advantages of cordless tools and the practicality of them these days. I want you to talk about some of the things that you've brought, but I want you to give me kind of an overview on where cordless is today and why it has made such great inroads in work.
Sure. With cordless tools, you're seeing a lot of mobility with them, where you can take them up, set them up anywhere. It's quicker than having to drag a cord. You're also seeing a lot of safety with these tools, where you don't have to have a cord that you're going to stumble over, trip over, possibly cut through, sand over. So you're seeing it's a wide variety of tools and practicalities.
And it's all made possible by the fact that batteries no longer last 5 minutes, and you got to go digging for another one and charge it up for 10 hours, and then so on and so forth, right? Batteries last a long time. They charge quickly, correct?
Yeah, correct. With the lithium ion, our batteries they last a lot longer than what they did before, and they also charge a lot quicker. All the way from the 1 hour charge time on our 6 amp hour to 20 minutes on our 2 amp hour.
Yeah. Okay, and you can find just about any tool, it seems these days, that'll run cordlessly, and you brought a few of these that are very nice. Now, this is an Orbital Sander. Tell me a little about this one.
So this is our 3-speed Orbital Sander. This one here has all the functionality of the regular corded sander, only cordless. So you can take this if you have a touch-up job or a quick job.
Yeah.
You just pull this out, pull the battery right out of your drill, throw a slapper in this, get out, get your job done quick.
So you not only are able to do traditional work that you might do with a corded tool 5 years ago, but you can do those spot touch-up jobs without having to go through a big setup, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, and that saves time and money.
It saves a lot of time, makes people a lot more efficient.
Orbital Sander, that's cool. Tell me about this.
So we have the world's only router, cordless router.
Right.
So once again, multi-speed. It comes with the plunge base or the fixed base.
Okay.
This here, also, great one. Get you out there, get your job done without having to drag power, find power. But it also lets you focus on what you're doing and focus on your job only, where you don't have to worry about, is my cord in the way? Anything like that. You just get your job done, get it done precisely, get it done quickly.
And the tool itself is a quality tool that will do the things of a corded.
It will do everything a corded tool will do.
All right. Let's take a look at this thing now. I like that.
The nice thing about this would be, so if you have a quick job, say you're working on a door,
right?
You pull your battery once again right out of your drill, slap her in this, do a quick job. It makes it quicker, faster, easier, and you don't have to worry about finding power.
I think it's worth pointing out that all these batteries come off the same platform.
Yeah,
so you can take this battery off the drill and put it into there to the planer or the router or the sander or whatever, right?
125 plus tools all run on the same battery platform.
So we've talked about the cordless tools, some of the cordless tools, but there are some cordless tools that need a little more juice than you can get from one battery, and you guys have addressed that by putting 2 batteries, but the same kinds of batteries you use in your other tools. Does that make sense? Yeah.
That makes sense. So what we did is we jumped up to a 36 volt.
Right.
So we took 2 of our 18 volt batteries and made a 36 volt.
Okay.
So we're not making you go out and buy a whole new battery platform. The 18 volt batteries are going to give you more power,
right,
longer runtime.
Right. And you've figured out a way to put both those batteries on there, by the way. This is a track saw, and the track saw has some very precision uses that people will find useful. Oh, for laminates, flooring,
laminates, flooring,
of things, right?
Those really precise cuts that, say, if you were doing a remodel on historic houses where nothing seems to be uniform cuts.
Now, woodworkers will be happy to know that you guys have a miter saw.
Yeah, we do have a 36 volt 10-inch miter saw. It's a dual bevel.
Right.
Real nice to get out on job sites where you don't have to worry about power.
Yeah. That's what strikes me about all these things. It's not that other tools don't do what this does. It's just how it goes about doing it. The portability of the power, the fact that the cordless tool has the power to do what needs to be done, that charges quickly, it runs a long time, all those great things, right?
Oh yeah. With these new cordless tools, you get the runability, you have the power to do anything that the corded tools are doing anymore, and you also have the mobility and the safety.
There are some fantastic tools, and cordless tools are more practical, they're more affordable, they're more reasonable, they're more usable than they have ever been, and they're getting better and better. I think the jumps in the usability and the portability and the quality of these tools over the past 5 years has been amazing. Check out toolbarn.com because you'll find some tools that'll make things go really well for you. Thanks for being with us and join us next time.